Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to present you about future simple tense. The future simple tense is often called the will tense because we make the future simple with the modal auxiliary will. How do we make the future simple tense? The structure of the future simple tense is 1. Positive sentence. Form: subject plus will plus verb, base form plus object. For example, I'll study law at university next year. She'll cook curry for dinner. 2. Negative sentence. Form: subject plus will plus not plus verb, base form plus object. For negative sentences in the future simple tense, we insert not between the auxiliary verb and main verb. For example, I won't study law at university next year. She won't cook curry for dinner. 3. Question sentence. Form: will plus subject plus verb, base form plus object. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and auxiliary verb. For example, will you study law at university next year? Will she cook curry for dinner? How do we use the future simple tense? No plan. We use the future simple tense when there is no plan or decision to do something before we speak. We make the decision spontaneously at the time of speaking. Look at these examples. Hold on. I'll get a pen. We will see what we can do to help you. Maybe we'll stay in and watch television tonight. In these examples, we had no firm plan before speaking. The decision is made at the time of speaking. We often use the future simple tense with the verb to think before it. I think I'll go to the gym tomorrow. I think I will have a holiday next year. I don't think I'll buy that car. Prediction. We often use the future simple tense to make a prediction about the future. Again, there is no firm plan. We are saying what we think will happen. Here are some examples. It will rain tomorrow. People won't go to Jupiter before the 22nd century. Who do you think will get the job? B. When the main verb is be, we can use the future simple tense even if we have a firm plan or decision before speaking. Examples. I'll be in London tomorrow. I'm going shopping. I won't be very long. Will you be at work tomorrow? Note that when we have a plan or intention to do something in the future, we usually use other tenses or expressions, such as the present continuous or going to. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.